Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the SuperVPN app on your Android device. We'll walk through how to connect and disconnect it, how to select a specific country server, and most importantly why we use VPNs for secure and private internet access. So first, let me explain in simple terms, why do we use a VPN? Sometimes, certain websites or apps may not be available in your region due to network restrictions. A VPN helps you securely change your virtual location and access the internet through servers located in different countries. For example, if you're in Pakistan or India and a specific app or website isn't working in your region, a VPN can connect you through a server in the US or Canada, making it seem like you're browsing from there. This improves accessibility, online privacy, and also helps in keeping your connection secure. Step 1. To get started, open the Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type SuperVPN and install the app from the results. Step 2. Once installed, open the app. The app may request a few permissions to function properly. Go ahead and allow them. Since it's a free app, you might see some ads occasionally. Step 3. After launching the app, you'll see a Connect button on the main screen. Simply tap on it. The app may ask for a connection request. Press Allow. Within a few seconds, SuperVPN will connect and secure your internet connection. You'll see a message like Connected displayed at the top. Step 4. If you want to connect through a particular country's server, tap the globe icon at the top. Here, you'll see a list of available countries. For example, you can choose Canada, Germany, or Singapore, whichever you prefer. Once selected, tap Connect again, and the app will route your internet traffic through that country's server. This will virtually change your location and can help in accessing global content more easily. Step 5. To disconnect the VPN, simply go back to the main screen and tap Disconnect. Your internet connection will return to normal. If you'd like to customize your VPN usage per app, tap the menu icon, 3 lines, on the top left. Here, you can enable App Filter Mode, which allows you to choose which apps should use the VPN connection. You can turn it on or off as per your preference, and that's it. SuperVPN is very simple to use and can be a helpful tool for a safer and more flexible browsing experience. If you have any questions or if you're facing any issue while using the app, drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help or make a follow-up video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.